cytoskeleton. So cytoskeleton is a minute tubular and fibrous cytoplasmic structure which is concerned with various activities of a eukaryotic cell. So these are present only in the eukaryotic type of cells, where these are concerned with various activities like cytoplasmic streaming movement, intracellular transportation, the microvilli formation, and the movement of the flagellar structures, the formation of the spindles and the movement of the spindles. Likewise, they are concerned with various types of functions present in a eukaryotic cell. So basically the cytoskeleton will form the basic framework of the cell, which is made up of proteinaceous structure. So the cytoskeleton is made up of microfilaments, intermediate filaments, and microtubules. So these are the three types of structures by which the entire cytoskeleton in a eukaryotic cell is made up of. Let's start with the first one, the microfilaments. Microfilaments are the structures which are of nearly 6 to 10 nanometers in its thickness, and these are the structures which are made up of a protein called as actin. And these are nearly rod-like organization, but here they appears to be like a helical in their nature because the bead-like structures. The bead-like structures are present. These bead-like structures form a helical-like organization. So in the structural organization we can see this type of arrangement of helical-like organization can be seen in the structural organization of the microfilaments. So this type of bead-like structures are appearing to be like a helical-like arrangement pattern. So this type of structures are associated nearly just below the plasma membrane or where sol gel nature of the cytoplasm is existing. So in such places these microfilaments can be seen more in their number, and they are mainly associated with the endoplasmic reticulum, chloroplast like organelles which are present inside a cell. And these are structures which are concerned with the formation of spindle like structures and also the formation of the cytoskeletal basic structure related to the plant cell. And they are concerned with the various functions like formation of microvilli, endocytosis, and the accumulation of the materials, and also transportation, membrane transformation, and also the endocytosis like functions are concerned with the microfilaments. Intermediate filaments. So these are the one which are solid in their nature, which are showing nearly 10 nanometers in their thickness. 10 nanometers in their thickness, and these are the structures which are having this type of organization where there appears to be like straight structures, but they are also forming in a spherical like organization, and this type of organization can be seen in the intermediate filaments. And these filaments are made up of various types of proteins, not a specific protein as like the actin present in the microfilaments. So here this type of organization which are concerned with the formation of spindles and also accumulation of the small microscopic filamentous structures that can be seen in the movement of the spindle fibers and also movement of the chromosomes in eukaryotic cells. The microbodies. Microbodies are the elongate structures which are having a thickness of 25 nanometers, where in this one we can see the minus end and also the plus end, in which we can see the 13 protofilaments which are arranged in a specific pattern of arrangement. Like this they are arranged. This type of protofilaments, 13 protofilaments are arranged in one sequence, one specific sequence in the total structure of these micro bodies. So likewise this 13 will be forming, and the same type of organization will be present towards the minus end also. In this way the thickness of the total thickness of the microbodies will be of 25 nanometers, in which the core region, the middle point, the middle core region will be of 15 nanometers in their thickness. And the wall thickness will be of 5 nanometers. Both the sides the wall will be there. So that here the wall on both the sides 5 plus 5, that is 10 nanometers, and the core will be 15. So it comes to total thickness of 25 nanometers. Likewise this type of these are called as protofilaments. This type of organization with the 13 protofilaments arranged as a specific sequence is present in the micro bodies, and these are the structures which are concerned with the spindle fibers association related to various eukaryotic organisms, and also the intracellular transportation, the cytoplasmic membrane structures, and movement of the cytoplasmic membrane structures. All that activities are related to the micro bodies, and likewise all the cytoskeleton are basically useful for the movement of the chromosomes, endocytosis, the exocytosis, and also the intracellular transportation, the basic framework of the plant cells, basic framework of the cells, which is made up of all these three types of micro cytoplasmic cytoskeleton structures.